Hi friends, today I want to show some amazing science models which are made by our brilliant student of Sani Public School Rewadi.
Good morning all of you. Myself Prince. I am from 10th class. Today I am here to discuss about the drip irrigation model. As we know that drip irrigation is an easy and common method used by farmers to irrigate their lawn and small fields. A drip irrigation system is used through the pipes in which the filter water is used to irrigate their field by drop and drop methods. In this model, when we switch on, then the motor pumps the water through the pipes, and through the pipe the water goes into their field and irrigate the plant with drop and drop. Thank you.
What is the use of drip irrigation model?
Drip irrigation model is used to irrigate their land by drop and drop and to conserve water. This system is used by farmers for their production increase. This system increase the productivity of the crop and their income.
There is a low vegetation process.
Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit. I am from 10th class. Today I am discuss about the concept of physics electric circuit. An electric circuit is a combination of battery, wire and bulb and switch. When the switch is turned on, then the current pass through the battery and through the wire and the bulb glows. And when we switch off the key, the bulb does not glow. And here the battery acts as a source of energy and the wire acts as a path of transfer of energy.
What is the use of switch?
Switch is used in the circuit as the resistance to cut off the supply.
Is the circuit closed or open?
Now the circuit is closed, and when the turn on, the circuit is closed, and when we turn off, the circuit is open.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Khwahish, I am from class 11th and today I am describing the model of a neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. It has three main parts present inside it: the dendrites, cell body and the axon. First of all, the dendrites receives the signals and passes it into the cell. Inside the cell, a nucleus is present which processes the signals and further passes it to the axon. An axon, around the axon, Schwann cells are present which create a myelin sheath. A cell can be myelinated or non-myelinated. In between two adjacent myelin sheaths, a node of Van is present. Inside the axon, and potential difference is present and the signals are transmitted into the electrical form, and at the axon terminals there are synaptic nodes present and they contain neurotransmitters which are chemicals released into the synaptic cleft, and from there the another neuron can receive those signals, and that's how a nerve impulse is generated.
What are protein and ions are formed in axon?
Inside the axon, potassium and sodium ions are present along with some negatively charged proteins.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Soshika and today I am here to tell us about what is food chain. So as we know that we are heterotrophs, similarly all the organisms like us is also an heterotrophs. Firstly, to recognize this clearly, we have to take an example of this food chain that help us to understand properly. Firstly, we know what is producers. Producers, the best example is grass. Grass is consumed by this grasshopper who is primary consumer. Now this grasshopper is consumed by the frog which is secondary consumer. Similarly, this frog is consumed by eagle or snake that is tertiary consumer, and now it is consumed by eagle. Now the question arises in my mind that what is occur with the decomposers? Decomposers basically decompose all the dead organic matter into the soil.
What are producers?
Producers are those organisms which are basically autotrophs like green plants who can make their own food with the help of sunlight.
Good morning to all. I am Ansi from class 10. Today I am here to explain what is water cycle. The water that is present in water bodies like ocean, lakes, rivers get evaporates in the presence of sunlight and it forms the clouds, and the clouds when it becomes dense, it get trapped sunlight which is come to the earth And when the cold, the lower clouds, when it become colder, they produce rains, and mountains, the mountains convert. Uh, the water comes from the mountains, and it contains mineral like phosphorus and the sulfur, and it collect into the water bodies, and it called the precipitation.
Good morning, my name is Sanjana from class 7 science. Today we will discuss about the topic fluid mosaic model, which is given by singer and Nicholson in 1972. The first one is integral protein, which means internal protein which is present in the fluid mosaic model. And the second one is hydrophobic region, which means who hated water and repel water. The third one is cholesterol, which is help in the stability of the fluid mosaic model. And the fourth one is channel protein. It means that when any substances enter in the cell, then bind with channel protein and enter in the cell.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ritika. I am from 11th class. Today I am here to explain the process of seed germination. Firstly, we place the seed in the soil and provide a suitable sunlight, temperature and water. The part of seed, the radical part of seed grow the roots toward the soil, and the pumil part grow the shoot toward the sunlight, and arise leaf and stem which help the photosynthesis.
What is the difference between angiosperm and gymnosperm?
Angiosperm produce a fruit, and in angiosperm the seeds are visible, and gymnosperm not produce a flower, and the seed is nil.
Oh, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ria. Today I am explaining the model of plant cell. This is a rigid outer membrane that is called cell wall, and this is a cell membrane. Firstly, inside the plant cell, this is a cytoplasm, and 90% area are covered by the vacuole. The outer membrane of the vacuole is a tonoplast, and this is called Golgi body. It's a help in packaging of the cell. This is a nucleus, director of the cell, and this is a mitochondria. This is also called as a currency of the energy, and this is a endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.
What is endoplasmic reticulum and what are the type of endoplasmic reticulum?
Endoplasmic reticulum is a tubular structure and double membrane bound structure. There are two types, RER and SER. That is called a rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And RER synthesis protein and SER synthesis lipids.
Oh, thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Tanisha from class 10. Today I am here to explain the various types of farming. There are three types of farming: primitive farming, intensive farming and commercial farming. Primitive farming is practiced on small patch of land with the help of traditional tools, and intensive farming are practiced on high population pressure land. We can use so small amount of HYV seeds also, and in commercial farming it is for profit purpose, in which we use higher amount of HYV seeds, insecticides and pesticides. Here we can show the plantation crop, in which a single crop is grown in a large area.
What are the methods that are applied to improve the modern farming?
We can use methods like organic manure and modern technologies, machinery.
Can we use DDT, pesticides, insecticides?
No, because it is harmful for the crop production.
Okay, thank you.